In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easy and fast using the T84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so the question says simplify 1 over 2x square in brackets to the power negative 3. Alright, so the very first thing we have to do to solve this kind of problem will be to use the calculator to put it in the first mode. So we say press second button, then this plus button, go for option 7, press 1 and press 2, and it will do this for you. Alright, it's done. So the next thing now will be to store a value of which I highly recommend 2. So to store 2 on this calculator, press the value 2, press the store button, then once store it as X, the X button, press enter, and 2 will get stored as indicated here. So we are good to go. Now let's simplify this expression with the 2 we stored. So we have now a fraction alpha window, fraction, press 1. So we have 1 over 2x square. Alright, come and close the bracket. Then we have to the power, make use of this power function, negative 3. Now guys, pay attention here, make use of this negative sign button, not this one here. Alright, so that's it. Let's press enter now to see the output. We have 512. So right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us 512 will be the answer to this question. Okay, so let's begin with option A. So we have 6x to the power 6. No, let's check option B. We have 8x to the power 6. Exactly, so the correct option is option B. This is basically I can solve this kind of problem using the T84 plus scientific calculator. Hopefully something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel now by hitting the subscribe button for more of my videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, so don't forget to reset the calculator once you are done. Just press second, this plus button, go for option 7, press 1 and press 2, and it will do this for you. Now click on the screen above and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.